Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. In this video we want to focus on the shorter time frame price action, particularly taking a look at the move of the 6th of May high or 5th of May high. The expectation at the moment is to make another low, but I have to say as well that Ethereum is holding much better than Bitcoin. So I will not rule out the possibility that Ethereum will reset higher this yellow B wave. In fact, we have one short-term bearish and one short-term bullish, or actually two short-term bullish scenarios, but really only short-term bullish. So let's look at the structure. So the main primary expectation at the moment is that we do this ABC structure. So the A wave down, the B wave up, and the C wave down. Now, in this scenario, there's two potentials. Either the B wave topped already here, and at the time it reacted here, I think, to the golden ratio. It was one of our resistance fib levels, okay? However, since then we haven't come down in 5 waves, only in 3. Bitcoin has come down in 5. Okay, we just discussed that in the Bitcoin video and the different potentials. Now Ethereum hasn't, and we have overlapping price action. So this is either a sign and a warning that we will not go directly lower, so that it could be that this B wave is going to reset a little bit higher. That can happen, yeah. In that case, we have here an A wave or a W wave, an X wave, and a Y wave to the upside, which consists of A, B, C. Yeah. So very messy price action. I warned you there's going to be a rocky road and going to be messy. And I think it's also not really a good idea to try to trade every single wave here, but that's only my take. Because you will expect a lot of headwind. You have to expect a lot of headwinds and frequent changes of direction. So these are the two potentials. Either the B wave is going to be reset or the top is already in. In that case, however, I would like to see price stay below $1,900. I think it was the correct decision yesterday to switch here to a scenario in which I see the move down as an ending diagonal. Yeah, so we talked about it yesterday. I'll show you again. The idea is that if wave B topped, not there actually here, that Ethereum started the move down in a C wave, that would need to take it below 1739 to confirm though. And we could say this was wave 1, this was wave 2, this is just the A wave of the third wave, the B wave of the third wave, and next we go down in the C wave of the third wave. And it was the right decision to switch to an ending diagonal because a B wave can obviously retrace a little higher. And it's now in the standard fib resistance area for a B wave. And then, but it didn't follow the channel. So it broke out of the channel, which makes me consider, okay, maybe this B wave is going to extend higher. But in an ideal world, it would now stay below 1900 and follow through to the downside in a C wave quite aggressively, ideally, okay? So this is one scenario, either B wave is in or okay, could still extend, but that's the idea where we are short-term bearish, A wave, B wave, C wave. And yeah, if you want to, you can consider the extension of the B wave a short-term bullish scenario, but it's not really bullish because it would just mean to an extension of the B wave before we come down. And if we really break above 1900, next resistance will be 1927 and then the X wave high at 2020. Okay, so this B wave is valid until we get to 2020. Now, what is then the, and overall this move should take us sort of into the neighborhood of 1660. What is then the short-term bullish case? Yeah, the short-term bullish case would be that this was a wave 1, this was a wave 2. I explained the shortcomings of this wave count and structure in previous videos, but it's not invalid. This would be a wave 3 still in the making. Then we should get a wave 4 and a wave 5. So wave 1 in 3 waves, wave 2 in 3 waves, wave 3 in 3 waves, wave 4 and 5. And only if we get these 5 waves, ideally above the X wave high at 2020, I will really assume that Ethereum has bottomed. But it is of course one of the likely scenarios, okay? And the reason is why it's now one of the likely scenarios is that it reached our trend reversal area on the 12th of May. It's just not preferred over the short-term bearish count. But here, if I had to give you my view, Ethereum is more likely to have bottomed than Bitcoin in my opinion, because Bitcoin's reaction, or Bitcoin is following more clearly an impulsive wave structure to the downside. but also, and it dropped much more, but also here I cannot rule out that it's going to extend the B wave higher. Yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.